To the top is where you are headed. To the top, I know I'm hard-headed. What you got? I got a superstar fetish. I might not be a wonder with the numbers, but that music, the sound of so many blunders might stun you. But
car the last couple weeks, getting it running, the ignition, something was wrong. We got the brakes fixed, had a little bit of a caliper issue in the rear, but it's definitely running a lot better. We still run the TFI on the motor. Our distributor went out. I think our coil was going bad, and of course we changed the ID box, the MSD box as well. We're about to head to the track tonight, make a few hits, maybe just one, do a little test or two. And we just took it out on the street, ran real good, 15 pounds of boost tuning it right now, so I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Car runs a lot different than it did at National Trails, so let's head out to Coonley, get a little shakedown in it, and see what it does. Man, there's definitely not a lot of people here at all. Me, I can at least get a couple hits in and not be here half the night, but it had been raining a little bit. They apparently were drying the track. They got a little go-kart thing too for the kids. You can see they're all racing tonight too. I love that shit. My buddy's got him and his boys race that stuff. That stuff super competitive. I mean, they got like, you know, 5, 6, 8, 10 grand in their motors and stuff, and I don't know, it's a pretty legit little track. I love it. Being it's the first time we've really been on a test and tune track all year and practically in 8 months, we definitely know that there's some gremlins lurking somewhere. We just got to find them. We gotta make sure we got our stuff here. Got our pants. Got our jacket. Gotta be safe. Gotta be able to go home to the kids. You know what I mean? Gotta put my helmet on. And yes. All right. Over there? Yeah. I guess it's pretty. It's lucky when you have two. I guess I thought they'd say. It was raining pretty good though, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. It ain't no more. Well, we hope. We'll see. You know, we had some issues with it. 363 stroker. We ended up having to change the distributor. 35, 40 years old and still showing the MSDs how to do it, right? We really need to get rid of that because we got the coil on plug we need to put on it. But we changed the coil, changed the box. And it seems to be running pretty good now. We can get through the next couple of races, clean it up a little bit, do coil on plug, and hopefully not blow the motor up. It's gonna be a win. I'm just happy to be here with my fam. Sorry. Got the glasses now. Oh, that's official old school. That's official OG old man shit right there, baby. We finally got the car right where we think we can make a good pass. I'm happy to be sitting in the lanes with my helmet on, ready to go. Car's running really good, brakes working pretty good. Think we're back to where we were at in 2024. I'm sure there's a couple things that need to be fixed, but we'll do those on the fly as we got a race coming up this weekend that we're trying to make. At this point, we knew we messed up. I sure didn't expect that to happen. Point, I'm thinking to myself, maybe I should lay off some of the protein. Yeah, I broke the damn handle. I punched third gear and it was over.
tall, you never saw any trouble with the law since the day they was born. It's a rain that lives kind of hills. Rain that lives hills. Someday it's
Let's go see if we got a handle with the truck. All right, well, we only gonna get one rain. They just called it. They got a bunch of thunder and shit coming, but you know what? We got a good lick in, and what I felt on that run was the car actually working again. So brakes are good now. I can actually stop better than it ever was, and I'm happy about that. Getting his shit off the jack stands. Man, I'm gonna tell you what, I hate brakes. I hate brake fluid, and I even hate it even more now. But we did it. We're at least competitive, at least a little bit. Be able to at least do something on Friday and represent Tremec and represent you guys here in the channel. But we're gonna go back to the shop. We got a couple things that we got coming in the mail from Donnie V at Anderson Ford Motorsport. We're gonna be adding to this, and I'm gonna show you what's the upgrade for the future coming with this car, where I think we can make a little bit more power. Let's head back to the shop. We clearly need to get a handle on a couple things with this car. But we got to head over to the shop, get the handle switched over to the long handle. It's one of the studded ones. I probably shouldn't have had that one in there to begin with. The handling has been yelling at me for years to get that swapped out. Luckily, it happened at the track on Wednesday and didn't happen tonight at the no prep race. So definitely getting that coil on plug stuff in this this setup is definitely going to make us a little bit more power, a little more stability, you know, when we're tuning, and be able to change the timing and such. I mean, it's not a perfect combo, guys, but it's mine, and you know, we're gonna do what we can with it. Got a new video coming up this weekend, early next week, of our no prep first series. Big shout out to Tremec Transmissions. We're giving away a transmission for Stick Shift Point Series here in Ohio. If you got one more info about that, hit me up in the comments. But next week, we're gonna have a banger video. We actually got to compete in a local Stick Shift no prep event, and you're not gonna wanna miss how that went down. I think we're on the right track in 2025. Guys, that's pretty much all I got. It was just an update video. We're back on the track. We're back on line, I think, for the most part, and we're gonna have some fun with the car in 2025 like I talked about, and get the black car back on the street. You enjoy this sort of content, hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. Leave me a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out that merch at neomustangs.com. We do have a join button, become a member of the channel, as my members get exclusive content to the channel. Thank you guys, we'll see you soon in the next video.